Welcome. In this video, I will be explaining how to use the Augmend Excel add-in solution. But before that, a quick reminder on what Augmend is. Augmend is a platform that automates tedious manual tasks such as data extraction, collection, standardization, and enrichment using the power of LLMs. Augment can extract data from a variety of documents such as specifications, certificates, labels, brochures, contracts, and many more. The Excel add-in solution really simplifies working with Augment. Whether you are a small company that uses Excel to collect your data or a large company that uses Excel to stage your data before it enters a database. Before you can use the Excel Augment add-in, you need to have installed the manifest XML file. There is a separate video explaining this, so be sure to watch that first and follow the steps in there, as that is a prerequisite to using Augment in Excel. I already have the Excel Augment add-in with me. You can find it here in add-ins. To install it, just press add and you will see the ribbon appearing in Excel. To open the add-in, press on the start button. Once the add-in is started, you will see this task pane. The first thing you will need to do is sign in using either a Google or a Microsoft email, the one you have used to register for Augment. The Excel add-in consists of two things. One is this ribbon that you see at the top, and this is the task pane where actually the more complicated, sophisticated menu is available. To navigate through the add-in, you could click the different ribbon buttons. So to give you an overview, the first button is just the home button. The second button is select project, where you can see you actually have a bunch of projects from which you can select one. Extract data is where you start extracting data within a project. Download files is where you, as it says, download files. The beauty of this ribbon and how the add-in works is you can actually upload the files using the web UI or the web app and still download them here. So they are accessible in both places. And then pre-built templates, just like in the web UI, is the place where you find pre-made projects that you can get started with extraction on in a couple of minutes. And should you not find a pre-built template for yourself, you can also create a custom template just like in the web UI. For the purposes of this demo, to keep it short, I'm just going to show you how pre-built template works. So to get started, just click on pre-built templates. I'm already here, as you can see. And under pre-built templates, you will see some global templates, which are basically ready-made recipes or projects that you can start using immediately. For the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to click on import on the first one, and we will import this project. That's it. Your project is now imported, and now you can actually start extracting using this project. You can see that you are already in that project, COA analysis. So all we now need to do is upload a file. So for the COA analysis projects, we will be extracting data from certificates of analysis. An example certificate of analysis looks like this. This is for polysorbate 80. But of course, the beauty of Augment is it does not matter if any other certificate of analysis looks completely different from this one. It will still nevertheless get you the data in exactly the same structured format. For that, go to extract data. And there are two ways to do that. There is this happy path, a very short menu where you can simply upload the file and get it extracted. You can, by the way, also upload images if that's needed. And there are two other nifty things here. One is auto download after extraction, which means after you upload and the extraction happens, the file gets automatically downloaded. And there is also a button to those of you who are sensitive to having your data on the cloud, delete after download. What this means is basically the file that you have uploaded and all the contents associated with it. After you download your results, it's all deleted, so that nothing is left on the cloud. So we can use both these options and get started. So it automatically opens your file choosing view. So let's actually choose one of these files. And as you can see, the extraction has been queued and is starting. All right, the extraction is done in a few tens of seconds, and the output is right here. This extraction was about a certificate of analysis for polysorbate 80. As you can see, all the fields are nicely separated. All the numbers are nicely separated. If there are inequalities in the certificate, those are separated as well. And it works exactly the same way for the next extraction as well. It will get populated below this extraction. So essentially what you're doing with this app is you're building your library of extracted data. Let's go ahead and actually extract a second file. So I'm going to extract another one, and the extraction of that has started as well. There you go. The second file is also now available below the first file. And this is the way you can actually build your data set, even from documents which are quite difficult to extract. Hopefully, this was a useful intro to Augment's Excel add-in. If you would like to try it yourself or have any questions, please contact us. Thank you.